Good morning, children. Today we are going to do English grammar, that is chapter 8, describing words. So let us see what is describing words. Now in your book, everybody see that color the pictures. You can see here there are pictures and you have to color those pictures. So here you can see reindeer, dress, and here is a flower. So you are going to color it, isn't it? You can color this deer with brown, the dress with blue or red or any other color, and the flower you can color it with yellow, leaves with green, stem with brown, any color you can give. So what you are doing, these are what this deer, frog, flower, all these are naming word, isn't it, children? And when we are coloring it, we are describing about the noun, isn't it? We are saying about the noun. We are saying about their description, how they are. The color is brown, the color is yellow, the color is green. All these colors we are saying, isn't it? Now, write the names of the color you have used. So see here I have written some of the names. So whatever color you will use, you will write those colors. That is brown, yellow, blue, green, any colors. Whatever you are coloring, you will write. So now let us see what is happening. Did you know that colors are describing words? So as I told you that these colors are saying about the nouns, isn't it? They are describing, they are saying about something, that how the color is, isn't it? So read this story. Let us read the story. It is a sunny day. I am in my beautiful garden. There are yellow sunflowers, red roses, and white lilies. I sit on a square mat on the green grass. My mother gives me a large mug of hot chocolate. We sit on the mat and sip our chocolate. 4 butterflies fly around us. So now the words in bold are describing words. So now children, you see here that the bold letters, that here first in the first line, first letter which is in bold, sunny. Okay, sunny, what we are saying, that we are describing about, we are saying about the day, how the day is. It is sunny, bright, sun is on the top and it is a sunny day. Okay, I am in my beautiful garden. So the garden is how the garden is, bad, good, beautiful, ugly, how? It is beautiful. We are saying about the garden. We are saying how the garden is. It is beautiful. That means we are describing. Okay. There are yellow sunflowers, red roses, and white lilies. So here we see that yellow sunflower, the color we are mentioning. How the sunflower is? What color they are? Sunflower is yellow color. The color of the rose, what is the color? Red rose. And white lilies. So all these we are mentioning the color. We are saying about that naming word. That means the color of lilies, color of rose, color of sunflower. Okay. I sit on a square mat. Which type of mat? The shape of the mat is square. So square is also describing. On the green grass. So grass is what color? It is green color. It is green color. Okay. My mother gives me a large mug of hot chocolate. So the size of the mug is large. We are saying about the mug, how the mug is. It is in large in size of hot chocolate. Chocolate is hot. Okay. We sit on the mat and sip our chocolate. So we sit on the mat and sip that chocolate. 4 butterflies fly around us. How many butterflies? 4 butterflies. So the number is also, we are saying about the butterfly, isn't it? This number is also describing word. So the letter which are written in bold are describing word. Why? Because they are saying about the describing. They are saying about that naming word. Okay. So describing words tell us more about naming word. So it is giving us details of the naming word. That is called describing word. So we are saying more about the naming word. So okay children, I think you have understood. So let us see more about it. Okay. Describing words tell us about the following things. So let us see what the describing word tell us. Color, that is yellow color, so yellow sunflower, red roses, white lilies, green grass. So we are describing word tells us about the color, isn't it? As we have seen in the story that we have used yellow, red, white, green. So these are describing words. Next is size. Large mug. So large is, we are saying about the size, isn't it? This is also describing word. Shape. That is square mat. We are saying that the shape is what? Square. Okay, it can be triangle, it can be rectangle, it can be circle, anything. Okay, so this is also describing word. Special quality, that is, what is the quality? That is sunny day, beautiful garden, hot chocolate. So special thing we are saying about that naming word. The day is very sunny, the garden is beautiful, chocolate is hot. Okay. Number. 4 butterflies. So, how many butterflies? 4. It can be 5, it can be 100, it can be anything, any number. So, all these are describing word. We are saying more about that naming word. Okay. So, next we will do the exercises also. Everybody will do it in your book. Okay. Fill in the blanks with suitable describing words from the box. So what are those? Square, hot, strong, red, 7, poor, clever, delicious, round, tall. So we have to put these words in the correct order. Okay. So number 1, he gave the dash man some food. It will be what? Poor man. because the poor man needs food, isn't it? So he gave that poor man some food. So it will be poor. It will be poor. Mother cooked a delicious meal for us. So in this dash we are going to write delicious. So meal is very delicious, very tasty. Okay. So we are going to write here delicious. Next is number 3. The dash boy can reach the high shelf. So who can reach the high shelf? If the boy is tall, isn't it? So tall boy can reach the high shelf. Next is the owl has big dash eyes. So what eyes? Round eyes. So round. In the blanks we are going to write round. Okay. Next, it is very dash today. So it is very, we are saying about the weather. How the weather is? It is very hot. It is very hot. Okay. Next is the dash girl is carrying 3 bags. So the girl should be very strong, isn't it? That is why she can take those 3 bags. So the strong girl is carrying 3 bags. So in the dash we are going to write strong. Okay. Next, the dash fox tricked the animals of the forest. So what? It will be clever. Okay. Clever fox tricked the animals of the forest. Next, there are dash days in a week. This is very easy answer. 7 days. How many days? 7 days. Okay. Your gift is in the dash box. So we are now mentioning about the size. That is, it is the shape, sorry. It is square box. Okay. The notebook are in the dash bag. So where the notebook is? In the red bag. So we are mentioning the color. Okay. Next, let us move to the next exercise. Read the sentences and write the describing words and the nouns they describe. Some sentence may have 2 describing word. So now here we are going to write the describing word as well as the noun. Okay. So number 1, my new bag is red in color. So here, what are the describing word? So it is new and red, because we are describing about what? The naming word is bag and color, isn't it? New, red is describing word and bag and color is naming word. Okay. Next is white snowflakes are falling on the tree. So snowflakes is naming word and what is the color? That is white. Okay. White is describing word. Next, I am wearing my woolen coat. So we are describing about the coat. Coat is naming word and woolen is describing word. Okay. Next, 12 birds are flying in the sky. So how many birds? Birds are naming word. So bird will be written in the naming word and how many birds? 12. So 12 will be describing word. Next, an elephant has a long trunk and long ears. So what is the describing word? Long and large. So long and large will be describing word and trunk and ears will be naming words. Okay. Next, my friends and I are happy to go to school. So Now happy is describing and school is naming word because they are happy to go to where? School, isn't it? Next, number 7 is the green frogs are croaking noisily. So which frog? What type of frog? Green frog. So green is describing and frogs are what? Naming. Frogs are naming. Okay. The hungry cat wants milk. So how the cat is? Hungry. Hungry is describing and cat is what? Naming. Okay children, so you will write down in your book. Okay, so now let us do the last exercise. Read the story and circle the describing word. So what is the story? Let us see and then we will describe also. Okay, circle it. An old lion. So the lion is what? Old. So we will circle old. Lived in a deep green jungle. So how the jungle is? Deep green. So we will circle deep green. One day the hungry and tired lion. So the lion is what? Hungry and tired. So we will circle hungry as well as tired. Okay. Saw a warm and cozy cave. So what they saw? They saw a warm and cozy. That is describing. Warm and cozy is describing. We will circle these two words because the cave is very comfortable. Okay. He went in. The cave belonged to a clever jackal. So the jackal is what? It is clever. So we will circle clever. Okay. The jackal came home in the evening. He saw the lion's paw print going into the cave, but there were none coming out. The scared jackal thought. So the jackal is what? Scared, afraid. Okay. So scared is describing. So we will circle scared. A lion is in my cave. He called out loudly. So how he called out? Loudly. Loudly is describing. Hello, cave, shall I come in? The lion heard the jackal. If I do not reply, the jackal will leave, he thought. So the lion roared, Jackal, my dear friend, please come in. The jackal heard the lion. He knew there was a lion inside. He ran away. So the lion was inside. That is why the jackal ran away. Okay. So these are the describing words which I made you circle. So you will do it in your book also. Okay. I think you have understood what is describing. That means to describe, to say more about the naming word. Okay. Children, so this was the chapter all about. Hope you have understood. So I am ending the video over here. Thank you.